So here we have the Ford Fiesta on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre at the top, the total miles of 65,728. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section as well. You can change that information. So we have a trip computer menu, our vehicle settings, your telephone, audio and navigation menus, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have our stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side, along with a speed limiter. And then over into the center, the main touchscreen for the car. We're on the settings menu. You can see we have Apple CarPlay there. You can make adjustments to your phone, Bluetooth, etc. There's also mobile apps you can have displayed on here. We have satellite navigation, really nice clear color display. It's a very easy system to use. You can pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen. We have AM, FM, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio. We have USB inputs, so if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up here. And as I've already mentioned, Apple CarPlay as well. We do have a home screen that looks a bit like that, so you can go directly to your phone, audio, or sat-nav menus. To start the car, you press this button. Same button, stop it again. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. You can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, of course, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you set over here. We have a heated rear screen and a heated front screen as well. Plenty of storage, a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, your 6-speed manual gearbox. And then down here, you can turn off the stop and start, the traction control, and you can put the vehicle into eco mode as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.